everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Joe. Welcome. Joe. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go and get started here. All right. So the Dow was down 81 points. Nasdaq was up. S&P was down. Russell up, and Bitcoin currently at 62,000 and change. All right. Um, I want to take a quick look at the dollar index, see what's going on with the dollar. So the dollar is consolidating right here. Let's bring this up. So we have near-term support right here on the dollar. Let's see if it can bounce up, move higher. But we're getting lower highs, lower lows on the dollar. But it's stuck right here. If you guys look right here, so it's consolidating. These white candles, those are neutral candles. So it's not going up, neither is it going down currently. Okay. All right. So that's the dollar index. Bitcoin, like I said, 62,000 right here, 62,800 trading right here. Hold on. All right, still has its sell signal. We're watching this area here. 60,000 is where we have support. All right, now if Bitcoin, we've been talking about this, gets past 64,000 and holds, and we can get higher highs, higher lows, we could see Bitcoin move lower. All right, all the major cryptos are currently down though, guys. If you guys look here, so Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum all down, all have sell signals. Okay, so Litecoin has a sell signal. All right, Bitcoin Cash has a sell signal here. Ethereum has a sell signal here. And of course, Bitcoin has a sell signal here. All right, our US 30 traders, we did have a long trade going. All right, and that closed today. All right, so really good long trade. All right, right here. All right, buy signal was here, closed today. White arrow there, red candle right here. So that US 30 trade is over for now. Keep an eye on it though. All right, if we get buyers to come back in, we could get another buy signal, just like it did here. All right, just remember on the daily time frame, it's moving higher. All green candles here. We're still waiting for a buy signal on the daily time frame. Okay, but nice price action on the 60. All right, great trade here. All right, that's on the US 30. All right, let's take a look at current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper. All right, we'll take a look at the all right, 240-minute long positions in Monster Scalper. Let's go through these. All right. All right, so New Zealand dollar, all right, still holding its long position. Buy signal here, right, moving up slowly, but we've got nice price action. We need to break through that resistance here. Purple support and resistance, keep that in mind. So we got higher, we've got lower highs, lower lows within the markup phase. Green candles here, however, we need to break out. All right, New Zealand dollar. Aussie yen. Aussie yen under 240. All right, buy signal here, right? Breaking resistance right here, broke resistance, and we have candles moving higher, higher lows, higher highs, moving up there. Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen. So we looked at Aussie Swiss, same thing here. All right, Aussie Swiss, right? Buy signal here on a break of resistance. All right, and slowly moving higher there. I know it's hard to see, but it is moving higher, slowly moving higher there. Aussie Swiss, Euro yen broke through that resistance. All right, broke through that resistance. All right, buy signal right here, and big candles coming in here. This is a big candle here. Buyers are coming in, moving higher slowly, and looks like, all right, definitely wants to move higher. All right, we've seen some movement on the 60-minute, and it's up currently. Dollar yen, right? Dollar yen buy signal here, break of resistance right here, slowly moving higher. Target is all the way up here. Dollar yen, you might get some pressure on the dollar index, right? Since this is the dollar yen, keep that in mind. Pound yen, right? Good trade going here with pound here. Now these yen trades, guys, we talked about this last night, right? These buy signals came in, took some time to come in, right? We're hoping that right in here would have been great. They're all the way up here, but guess what? Just wait for those buy signals. I don't think it's extended by much. Okay, still, if it breaks through that resistance, it can go much higher. All right, we just don't know. So buy signal here, pound yen moving higher here. Okay, and so that is the 240, and you guys know pound yen on the weekly time frame. I'm curious to see. Hold on, pound yen's been moved up yesterday, moved up today. Just curious to see what it's doing here on the weekly time frame, big picture. So let's take a look here. Pound yen, big picture. Look at that. All right. So close today. We're currently right here. All right. Here's that bounce of that support, that trend line right in here. Candles coming in. Here is resistance here. So pound yen could move much higher, guys. All right. So we know it's buyers are definitely in control. Don't short this. That's for sure. All right. Don't short this. Resistance here looks good to break through. And we could see buyers come in here in a big way. All right. If that breaks through that resistance. All right. So pound yen right here. All right. So pound yen. Right here on the 240, certainly, right, has the potential to get past this resistance here. Okay. On the 60-minute time frame, right, we normally don't do these on the 60 minutes, right? We let you guys do that, but hey, wanted to find some trades, so we found some trades on the 60-minute, and they turned out well. And these are the yen pairs. Okay. All right. So SEG, that's your SGD, Singapore dollar yen. All right. Buy signal here, sold here. Buy signal here, holding firm right here. We do have purple support and resistance, but we want to get through that resistance here, this one here, and move higher. Price action looks good there. All right, SGD, JPY, Swiss, CHF, JPY. Good trade going, guys. Look at that. This is on the 60-minute. All right, great trade going. Buy signal here. Came in on 5.6. And here we are. What's today? 5.13. All right. When was the last time you guys saw a trade like this on the 60-minute? Right? Almost what? That's a week, right? Almost a week there. Yeah. Crazy, right? Just continues to hold that trade, right? Amazing trade here. That's for how many pips? Little over 200 pips. All right, but great trade going here. Swiss yen. All right, and now it's looking to break through that resistance. If it breaks through, we could see buyers really jump in. All right, another good one. Euro yen. All right, two great trades here. Right, bought here, sold here, and another buy signal. Right, moving up nicely, looking to break through resistance here. So we have resistance here. This is where sellers came in heavy before. All right, so purple support and resistance, keep that in mind. But notice how it's hugging that resistance, guys. This is very bullish. This is a very bullish sign when the prices are holding really high, right? They're really holding high, right, at that resistance level right here. Very, very bullish sign. If I was a betting man, I would bet that this candle here will break through that resistance. Okay, buy signal here, very, very bullish sign there. Okay, it's the reverse. If it's holding at support there, all right, good chance it will break to the downside. Okay, but that's not what's happening. Really good trade going there, and we know what's going on with the yen pairs. All right, these yen pairs are moving, and pound yen is the leader. All right, so euro yen. Did we do Swiss yens? We did Swiss yen, pound yen, pound yen. This is on the 60-minute. We know what pound yen is doing on the 240. All right, so this is the 60-minute right here. All right, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Current buy signal here, holding nicely. We do have a purple support and resistance. Keep that in mind. Next target all the way here. If we bring in that resistance line right here, you guys will notice it's doing similar, right? It's holding at that resistance here, right? So they're holding that price right here, right at that trend line. Again, good chance it will break through. Okay, so if you guys are trading this, just hold on, nothing to fear, no panicking. All right, all right. CAD yen. All right, CAD yen buy signal. Look at CAD yen, guys. Buy signal all the way down here, and that buy signal came in also on 5-6, still holding all the way down here, holding firm. Right, needs to break through resistance right here to see it move higher. All right, so great trades in the yen pairs. You guys notice that's where we are, right? Both time frames, 240 and the 60-minute with the yen pairs. All right, we'll look at monster scalper. I don't know if we'll look to add any positions this evening though. Okay, all right, we'll take a look. All right. Monster futures. We haven't looked at this in a while here. So monster futures, let's take a quick look. Wheat, let's take a look at, oh, look at wheat, right? Great trade going here. All right, let's bring in our trend lines. Let's do it right here. So here's your markdown phase here. All right. And wheat is making a move. All right. Buy signal here. I think our entry is right about in here. All right. Look at that. They really came in last couple of days here. All right. Good, nice, big candles here. All right. Target, first target, where we've gotten past the first target here. So second target all the way up here. All right. Good price action there. All right. Second target. And then let's bring in, we'll bring in a third target just to see. But let's get through that second target first. Okay. All right. Always pay attention to these sellers above. All right. So as we go back up, right, from that markdown phase, accumulation markup, pay attention to where these sellers are sitting. Okay. So wheat, good job with wheat. Soybeans. All right. Soybeans, not a bad markdown phase here. Buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. All right. Let's bring in our lines. All right, buy signal here, retraced. We're going to bring back because it's retraced. So we still have resistance here. So we need to get back to that resistance breakthrough. If we can do that, right, next target all the way up here. All right, that's soybean. And soybean has done well. We've done well trading soybean. Okay, so hopefully we can get another move. Corn. All right, good trade going here with corn. Guys, notice we're not trading the metals. or energy right now, right? All right. So that energy trade kind of died off. Too bad though. If it comes back, we'll know. All right. So corn. All right. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance. We have target, the first target, all the way up here. Now this is in the futures market now. All right. First target, second target, very choppy in here. All right. So second target all the way up here. Okay. So those are the three. All right. Let's take a look at equities. All right. So stock boss, bullmaster, ORGN. I think ORGN is holding buy signal all the way down here, holding firm. Okay. OTLY, buy signal here, right? This was a concern, right? It came back down below resistance right here, trading back in the box, but it's out of it now. All right, so we've got higher lows right here. I know it's hard to see. Yeah. Hey, Anthony, welcome. Anthony, welcome. All right, so it's breaking out OTLY holding from TAC, right? Good markdown phase, guys. What a really nice markdown phase. Good discount. All right. This is a good discount all the way down here, right? So buy signal here, holding firm right now. And then we have one trade in Bull Master. Okay. JXN still holding. That's financial. Buy signal here. That is still holding. Okay. Now, I want to show you guys what we've got going in on these indexes. Okay. We're just going to hold off on adding right now. All right, because this market could turn. All right, so here we are. The VIX moved up a bit today. At I was at 12 and change, 1360. Okay, the good news, we do have good news. All right, good news. We're seeing more sectors. Look here, guys. This is all red, except for I think one or two sectors. Now we've got more sectors that are up, and we have new up. All right, so these sectors are improving. All right, this index is improving in here. All right, so that's good. That's very encouraging. All right, now we do have buy signals. All right, we always pay attention to what the overall market is doing because these stocks will follow. All right, 80-90% of these stocks will follow what the VIX is doing, what these sectors are doing, and most importantly, what these indexes are doing. All right, so Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, and Russell. Remember, we've moved this to the 240-minute time frame just to get an early start. All right, if the buyers come in. All right, now we need real confirmation on that daily time frame. That's the time frame that they watch. All right, those big institutions, all right, big hedge funds, right? They trade off that daily time frame, all right? So we'll wait for buy signals on the daily, all right? We have them here on the 240, okay? But if you notice here, here we are at resistance here on the 240 here. On the NASDAQ, here we are at resistance on the 240 here. On the Dow, here we are at resistance right here. We do have buy signals, but we're right at that resistance. All right. On the S&P and on the Russell, same thing here. Although this is encouraging, very, very encouraging here. All right. We do need buyers to continue to have to give confirmation. Okay. We'll take a look at stocks, but we will not call any picks. Okay, we could see sellers come in, guys, this week. All right, and all of a sudden we've got sellers coming in down here, right, just like they did here before. All right, now we could break through, but just wait. All right, just wait. All right, let's take a look at. Now we won't go all the way. We don't have a lot of information. So we won't go all the way till 8 p.m. this evening. Okay. We'll stop early. All right. Stock boss, let's run it. All right. 62. Let's just see. All right. Let's take a look at technology here just to see, guys, what's going on here. That's a buy signal there. The concern with this is that sellers could come in. This market is not out of the water yet. All right. All right. Bullmaster 106. That's a lot. All right. All right. Natural gas. Like the risk reward, trading at came from 135, guys, fell to 17. All right. UNG. Hold on. That's natural gas. Let's take a look at energy here. So energy is holding here. It's holding. Okay. So we'll add this one. Crude oil. Crude oil. I guess that's holding. All right, so we'll add this one, UNG in Bullmaster. All right, so good buy signal here, right? Buy signal came in right at $16 and change, trading at 17. All right, but really good markdown phase. What's nice about it, we have a good risk reward. Not that we can make it all the way back up here, right? To what we said, 135 or so, 136. All right, but you do have, this is where the selling started here. Right, buy signal here. Here is your markdown. All right, don't go heavy, guys. This market can turn, okay? But that's a good buy signal. Even if you get it up to this area here, right? Like 1731. This is where sellers came in, I would say about right here, which is around 22. If you can get past that area, we do have A lot of resistance in this area here. Could get past there. However, if it could get past 131, and it is energy, if energy holds and moves higher. So right here, if it could get past this area here, you see that strong resistance here? There is nothing stopping it. All right. Till it all the way over here about 74. So not a bad risk reward. Good support. Look at that. Very good support down here, around 14. Okay. So that's a good risk reward trade there. Okay. All right. UNG. Look for a few more. Monster scalper, guys. We're just going to stick with the yen pairs. Okay. Just the yen pairs for now. That's a good trade going with the yen pairs. Just stick with it. Those yen pairs could possibly be a good trade. The way they're holding on that 60-minute, right? Almost a week now on that 60-minute time frame, that's strong. So don't waste your capital trading other pairs. All right, that's what they're trading right now. So, all right. Consumer cyclical. Let's take a look here. This stock fell from 58. All right, descent markdown phase here. All right, buy signal here on a break of this resistance at 1096. Okay, was that iRobot Corporation? So this is just something we can add. Just something to give you guys, something to trade here. Okay, not focusing on any particular sector. Just know that if the markets turn, right, you have to get out of these. You'll get sell signals on these. Okay. All right, target all the way up here could fill in that gap for us pretty good too. So what's that? IRBT. And that's Bullmaster. And that is inexpensive for Bullmaster. Okay. All right. All right. Let's see if we can find one more. That's healthcare. All right. Another bad risk reward. This one fell from about, what's that, $100. Let's call that, call it 91. All right. Look at this. Good markdown phase here. All right. Good selling. All right. It's gotten past this resistance here. I know it's hard to see, guys, when you first look at it, but when you zoom in, zoom out, pay attention to it, what's going on, you can find some decent trades. Okay, so we've got support, let's call support here. All right, resistance is here. Now we had two buy signals that failed. This one failed here. This one failed here, right at that resistance. Sellers came in here. And now we have a buy signal breaking resistance right here. good big candle here. We are getting past this area. All right, that's good. All right, might have to fill in that gap. That's good. Target is all the way up here. All right, so it's getting past those sellers right here. That's very encouraging. No guarantee, but all right, that's $17 there. Okay, and 70 is the target. Right, close today 17 98. Okay, so if it can get past, we can bring this up right about here. Right, we could see it move higher. So we'll add this, and this will be the last one. NVCR in Bullmaster, and we have nothing in Bullmaster, guys. So we'll add a couple, 3. Okay, all right. But that's good. Good price action. We've got 100, right? We said 100, 101. Yeah, 105. That's good. That's improving. Okay. Quick look at Monster Scalper. No, you might miss some opportunities, guys. Some of these shorts in the dollar pair in the dollar here, but that's not the trade. Right now, the trade is right here. These yen pairs. Okay. Let's see where they are. So ZAR yen is right here. Let's see the potential. Right here is ZAR yen. New Zealand yen. Hopefully you guys are trading New Zealand yen. All right. Great trade on the 60-minute trade opened up. Hold on. New Zealand yen. Hold on. Let's find it here. New Zealand yen. All right. Yeah, 240. Great trade under 240 here, opening up. 60-minute. Yep. 60-minute. Great trade. Had one trade. A second trade opened up. Okay. And it's right here. Okay. So New Zealand yen. Our monster scalper traders. That's still okay. All right. Still looks good. Hasn't really taken off in a big way. Okay. So we have ZAR yen here, New Zealand yen, Swiss yen right here, Aussie yen right here. Let's see here, Euro yen right here. So they're not all the way up here, guys. Only ZAR yen is here. All right. So New Zealand yen all the way down here. So there's a good possibility that these yen pairs could move much, much higher. Okay. The way they're trading here looks like they could be leaders. All right. So these yen pairs, it's the yen pairs, and always pay attention to this, guys. The yen pairs, all right. No, there's a short in the dollar. All right. But these yen pairs, I can almost guarantee you that these yen pairs will end up leading. All right. Leading the chart here. Okay. All right. They look good. They look good to move higher. All right. All right. We have a decent volatility. All right. It's not consolidating. I would say about 40% consolidation. The other 60, they're moving, they're trending. Okay. So keep that in mind. If you want to do some scalping in the dollar pairs short, you can certainly do that. All right. Aussie dollar, nothing here. Aussie New Zealand, nothing here. Okay. Aussie Swiss, nothing here. So wait on those. This is where, all right, this is where we can find some opportunities right now, right? With a small amount of risk. There's always risk, but they're moving fine. Yen pairs are moving great. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. Okay. Our US 30 traders, just remember, right? We should be out of that US 30 right here. All right. So that sell signal came in today. Okay. So we should be out right here. So bought here, sold here. All right. This is the one we waited on. Right. Did not take this one here. So wait, we could possibly get another buy signal All right. If it moves higher here on the daily. Okay, guys. All right. Take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good trading. Take care. Bye bye.